On St. Croix, we want to give a heads up for drivers about some emergency repairs happening this week in downtown Christiansted. This Monday through April 5th, the Department of Public Works is doing emergency repairs in Christiansted near the Seaplane terminal. They were notified of a collapsing concrete canal and deck near the intersection of the Seabourn terminal. Crews with DPW checked it out last Friday and determined repairs needed to be made ASAP. Motorists are asked to drive with caution in the area over the next week and a half while work there is underway.